So before I started this project, I couldn't find anything online quite like it. So I figured I'd post it. This is a Mustang convertible GT V8 Scat. Uh, so what I did is I added a cold air intake, and it's just a cone. I just walked in the store and bought a cone, and I cut off the box, the the actual coupling thing that holds the mass airflow sensor in. And what it's doing is it's getting too much air inside the engine, so it's throwing a check engine light. And it doesn't do it immediately, but it does it after about 100 miles, and it'll pop on, and it's bank one, bank two, lean. And it's just too much air. I've tried that little deal here. This piece here is a piece of plastic nylon, and what it does, what I figured it would do is slow down the air a little bit and cause a little restriction, so it'll slow the air from going inside. Thinking it would slow it down a little bit so it wouldn't get too much air, but it's still throwing check engine lights. So I'm gonna have to go back and put the factory box back in. Figured I'd post this video. Now this wouldn't be a problem if you had a tuner and you can actually tune it, but because I don't want to tune, the car drives perfect, great gas mileage. I think a tuner would tear me up on gas mileage. It'll probably cut it down. I hear a lot of people say 16 miles a gallon. Right now I'm getting about 20, 25 on the interstate, so I'm good. I like how it sounds, how it looks without losing gas mileage, so I'm gonna stick with that. But I'm gonna have to put the factory box back in just to get rid of the check engine light. Figured I'd make a review. If you have any ideas on how I could have kept it, put it in the comments. And thanks.